Bruh, what? You're shooting sparks.
Alright, so that is it. That's the short little clips I have of me drifting the Corolla so far. More or less, it's me just in parking lots, clutch kicking, and not doing very much. But I'm gonna get better. Can only go up from there. This is the first season I'm gonna be drifting, so should be a lot better and can look back on that footage at the end of the season. I have a big surprise for the Corolla. Surprise, Corolla. Can't tell you about it right now. Shh, can't tell the Corolla. It's a surprise. But looking forward to it. And then also, make sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date because we got... I almost ruined the surprise that we got something. So please make sure to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Baby, bye, 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 bye. I wanna say in a phone. I didn't band it down. You may hate me, but it ain't no lie, baby. Bye, 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 bye. I'm not selling the Corolla.